you a vehicle technician or MOT tester looking for work as a contractor? Here at Autotech Recruit, one of our primary roles is to recruit qualified MOT testers and vehicle technicians for our client companies, such as fast fit outlets, independent garages and dealerships. A vast majority of the positions we fill are temporary contracts lasting anywhere from 1 day to 6 months. We work for many of the leading names in the automotive industry, and our current clients include Kwik-Fit, Halfords, Vindis Group, Mercedes-Benz, ATS and many more. If you wish to work through Autotech Recruit and fulfill contracts for our clients, you first have to be registered on our database. It's a straightforward 4-step process to ensure you are eligible to work and have the right skills and experience. There is absolutely no charge for registering with us for contract work. Step 1. Express your interest. You can do this either by phone, via email or via our website. Once you've done this, one of our team will be in touch to take you through the next step. Step 2. Document submission. In order for us to set up your profile on our system, we need you to supply us with several documents, which include a CV, a driving licence and counterpart, passport, birth certificate or EU national ID, copies of your qualification certificates, and for MOT testers we do require you to supply us with a copy of your smart card and your voter certificate. Step 3. Telephone interview. We will go through your CV to get a thorough understanding of your skills, experience and expertise and make sure all your documents comply with the regulations. You will be allocated a consultant who will be your single point of contact at Autotech. Step 4. You're ready to go. Once you're registered, your consultant will then contact you regarding contracts that will suit your particular circumstances. You'll be provided with details of each contract to help you decide if it fits in with what you are looking for. For further information, call us on 01234 240 503 or visit our website www.autotechrecruit.co.uk.